Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH securely, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. With the crypto world evolving, we'll cover the latest updates for 2025 to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and some Ethereum in it, plus a Phantom Wallet installed on your device. It's crucial to double-check that your Phantom Wallet is connected to the correct network, like Ethereum mainnet, to avoid any issues. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on the web or app. Head over to your dashboard and find the Assets or Portfolio section. Locate your Ethereum balance, that's your ETH. Next, open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Go to the wallet address page and copy your ETH address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to mix it up with any other wallet. Now, back on Coinbase, click on your Ethereum and select Send or Withdraw. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might have increased in 2025 due to higher demand. Review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. Once you approve it, the transfer should process quickly, usually in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Head back to your Phantom Wallet to check if the ETH has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a refresh or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. In 2025, with more advanced security features, Coinbase and Phantom might have enhanced verification steps, so stay updated. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge.